Yeah, friends and families and best friends and yes, this is Nii Tete boy, back to you again with another lesson. So this the third lesson that we will learn something about pan logo. Yeah, we will try to make some sound from pan logo. And we have done tone bass. We've done the bass. No, we've done the tone and the tone mute. We've done the bass and the sound that we get from tone and bass in between. So that's pretty cool, and I know you've been practicing. Yeah, even on conga or djembe, you can use the djembe, you can use the conga to practice. If you have the pan logo, that's beautiful. If you think this is pan logo, this is the side that's inside. This how this pan logo is built is made in my house. We manufacture drums in Ghana. Yeah, so this is how it goes. I'll teach you the next sound is going to be personally call it slap mute. But when I'm teaching, I say bye bye because your fingers have to be moving like this. And easily, I say bye bye, bye bye sound, or I said slap mute. This sound, we create this sound. This sound is really important when you are playing the pan logo, and you can use it on conga too. Yeah, you sound good because this sound is like a conjunction. It's a sound that we use it in between two different sounds or two sounds. Maybe you play tone, and in between that, you use it. This sound is it's built up gradually, so you need to practice. Okay? Practice makes us perfect. So you need to practice. From the beginning is going to sound somehow like, oh, am I getting it? I'm not. But don't worry. Keep practicing because I've been teaching, and this is one of the sound people are struggling on it. Yeah. But it's really important when you are using the pan logo, okay? And it will really help you too. After you master it, it will help you to, build up more and more till you explode. So let's go. Since I call it baba, you can put that in your mind, and it's this is like baba, but I'm talking about in some country they do the bye sign like this. I think somewhere, not Africa though. Yeah, so this how we go. This time the middle of your palm, always I say, no matter how big or small your palm is the same. The middle of your palm will be at the edge of the drum. When I say the edge of the drum, I mean this side, okay? So the middle of your palm, your both palm will be at the edge with your fingers closed, okay? So first you want to be like this. just to make sure you keep your fingers on a good position. Don't move it. Don't be moving your hands so your hands start coming on the drum like this. No, you want to keep it. That's the middle of your palm. Should be at the edge, and you want to keep it. Now you keep it. Keep it, and whilst you're doing, try to bring it back. Okay, try to bring it back. Just keep your hands on the drum. You try to keep it back. So first, just set your hands on the drum. This is how you just for a while. Okay, then the next you try to bring it back. Whilst you are pushing the skin, you have to put some energy in your fingers to push the skin. Okay, so we go to the next level. So now it's the same. You set, but this time you want to move. So we go like, once you can word it, we go like, okay, don't do, no, you want your hands, your palm should be on the drum. Okay, it's just you raise it, but everything hits the drum and bring it back. Okay, it's the same thing. You have this, so it's the same thing you have like that. And always remember we have the, so if 1-1 you want to go like pa 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 pa, you want this it's like bye bye. Okay, is that all you want? Don't forget, your hands have to be on the drum. Okay, your palm have to touch the skin. Yeah, don't go if you go like this, you will never get better. Okay, it have to be yeah, and one. So that's, I said, it's used in between two drums. Maybe you have like, okay, so you want to go ding, ding, dong, okay, that's what we use instead of you play boom boom dong. Okay, and keep waiting. Don't waste the time. Put something there. You have to feel it. Okay. 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 So if you want to continue, you can go there. Okay. So it's really important when it comes to, if I'm playing, this is it. It's just practicing and practicing and practicing. Make sure you subscribe and share the video to your friends. So at the end, we all enjoy the drum. And I'll come back again with another lesson video. Bye bye.